Let's break down pool deck ideas. 15 designs that wow. Here's what you need to know. Explore 15 stunning pool deck designs from stamped concrete to exposed aggregate. Find inspiration, costs, and maintenance tips for your NC backyard. Quick answer: stamped concrete, exposed aggregate, and broom-finish concrete are the top 3 pool deck designs. Costs range 8 to 20 per square foot depending on finish. A 400 square foot deck typically runs $3,200 to $7,200 installed in North Carolina. A pool deck is far more than a safety platform. It's the visual anchor of your outdoor living space. The right design connects the pool to your home's architecture, manages water drainage, and stands up to chlorine, UV exposure, and seasonal freeze-thaw cycles common in North Carolina. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina-based concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. We specialize in decorative concrete that marries durability with aesthetic impact. Unlike contractors that demand deposits up front, local concrete funds all materials and labor, and homeowners pay nothing until the work is complete, a guarantee that protects you from the deposit and disappear pattern that defines bad concrete contracting. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina concrete company that pays for every project up front, serving Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and Lake Norman with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews. The company specializes in decorative concrete for pool decks, patios, and residential projects across NC. Pool decks demand slip-resistant finishes and proper drainage. Local Concrete designs each deck to handle the region's seasonal weather, from freeze-thaw cycles to heavy summer use. Stamped concrete pool decks typically run 12 to 18 per square foot installed, while exposed aggregate finishes range 10 to 16 per square foot. Unlike most contractors, Local Concrete operates on a pay-on-completion model. Homeowners pay nothing until the work is finished, and the company funds all materials and labor up front. Each pool deck is engineered for durability and aesthetic impact. Moving on to stamped concrete designs, versatility and cost savings. Stamped concrete is the most popular pool deck choice because it delivers the look of natural stone, brick, or tile at 40 to 60% less cost than pavers or natural materials. The process involves pouring standard concrete, then imprinting patterns and textures before the surface hardens. A 400 square foot stamped pool deck costs $4,800 to $7,200 installed, less than half the price of equivalent paver work. Stamped designs fall into 5 main categories: ashlar slate, large rectangular blocks; cobblestone, rounded, irregular paving; brick running bond, classic linear pattern; stone medallion, large inset pattern in the center; and random flagstone, natural, jagged edges. Each pattern requires a different stamp tool and technique. Subscribe for more concrete tips. Thanks for watching.